incline. Run. Okay. Ooh. Will be washed on Sunday. Take it to church. Take her to town, get her all washed, cleaned up. Camera test. Seems to be stable so far. I think the windscreen's blocking most of the wind buffeting, but crank her up here to the speedo speed. We got some car trouble up here. Oh yeah, that's sketchy as hell. No plates on a busted down RV, those are meth users. Freaking tweakers. Oh, we're going 67. Lower down. Okay, so I'm hearing lots of wind buffeting. No idea if the camera can pick up any of this conversation, or more likely incoherent rambling. Picking my line too well on the corners, and keep going too fast, which is weird for a KLR. Alrighty, now the speedometer on this is off, but I have no idea if you can understand me, so let's pull over here. We'll do a little experiment. I don't know if you can hear the howling of the Shinko 244s. Ooh, little bark. Okay. I need to get the gloves with the I can use electronics on. Let's see, where is my GPS? GPS, there it is. Okay, so let's compare. Oh, what the heck? Not a 14. Oh man. Stupid ads. Okay, and hopefully you can see that. Hopefully it's recording, I have no idea. But what we're going to do is show that the factory speedometer with factory size tires is way off. Alright. Clear to the rear. Alrighty. 1 axle speed is less than that. About 3 miles per hour off, give or take. Alright, there's my cheesy throttle lock. We'll show the throttle lock is on. We're maintaining a fairly constant speed, but it's starting to slow down. Starting to slow again. Make sure nobody's coming up behind me. Have to keep adjusting it. And it's slowly going down. Now this is on a flat stretch too, so there shouldn't be any additional throttle input needed. It's not bad. You know, you can sit here and rest your hand for a few seconds, but then eventually it just keeps going down. Alrighty. We could turn this into a review for the highway manners of the KLR. And I have a dry throat because I'm yelling at 60 miles per hour and not sure if anybody can hear this. Such is life on a KLR above 50 miles per hour. It's loud, it's stable, but I have learned. Your body, it's infinitely more stable than using the handlebars. Don't use the handlebars. Use your knees and your body. Looks like we got a WSU game coming up. Farmer converted his empty pasture to an RV park for weekend WSU game, so making some money. Good old capitalism. Alrighty, so let's find a spot to turn over, pull over, and we'll shut the camera off, and we'll review the video and see if you can hear any of this. And just in case you can, this is Trey Preston, doing manly man fun stuff in the Pacific Northwest.